Hintay makidetalya kini Idol Joan Agustin. Manipod apo iti lawag. Idol Joan, pasok!
Inruwaren at City Government of Lawag at listaan dagiti manam na mga aktibidades iti Pamulinawan Festival 2025. Adaan da ito iti tema a prevail, adaan at kahit naasawen, apan nang ipakita iti panagkaykay sa akin iti panaga-progreso. Manam nama, ngayon no February 1, 4 o'clock a.m. Kit umunan to dito Dayana around the city, 1 o'clock p.m. Grand opening parade, 7 o'clock p.m. Panagyaman concert, February 2, 8 o'clock a.m. Ilocos Norte Foundation Anniversary, opening pa iti Pamulinawan Agro-Industrial Fair 2025 and Marikina Show Expo, 5:30 p.m. Apo night. February 3, dan tumedde ti panakaysayang Kati Music at the Park, iti 7 o'clock p.m. iti Aurora Park. February 5, 7 o'clock p.m. Miss Lawaga City Pamulinawan 2025 pre-pageant. February 6, 1 o'clock p.m. Coronation of Daycare Infantile King and Queen 2025, 2 o'clock p.m. Northwestern Foundation Anniversary. February 7, 1 o'clock p.m. 2000 Hail Mary, 2 o'clock p.m. Kalesa Parade, 7 o'clock p.m. in Rambak Night. February 8, Incat Foundation Anniversary and NGO Night. February 9, isunto deti Grand Float Parade. February 10, Dayan Around the City, Holy Mass, Comedia Ilocana, Baro Alawag Street Dance Competition. February 12, ay suntun dito Miss Lawag City Pamulinawan 2025 Coronation Night. February 14, Ilocos Cyber Expo. February 15, Poker Padyak 4, Ilocos Cyber Expo. February 16, Lurtage Valentine's Program, Pamulinawan Grand Pet Show and Pet TLC Health Caravan, Tumbaro Lawag. February 17, Junior Officials Oath-Taking, Tricycle Parade, Fetal Socialization Night, God Bless Lawag. February 18, Junior Officials Resumption of Duty, Pamulinawan Drum and Air Competition. February 19, Junior Officials Resumption of Duty, 3rd MMK Motor Show by Rockstar Event, Bloodletting Activity, Media Day. February 20, Lawag Pensioners Association. February 21, DepEd Night, Ken Pamulinawan Concert at Robinson. February 22, 3rd Lawag Sundance Challenge, Lawag Sundance 4x4 Summit, Rainbow Night. February 23, Aloha Night. February 24, Pamigbig ABC Awarding Night. February 25, Medical Mission. February 26, LCR Seminar. And of course, the IFM Fiesta Watch Local Artist Night. Mrs. Red Cross Coronation Night. February 27, Ilocos Norte Vloggers Fest 2025. SK Night and Ranyag Awards 2025. February 28, Pamulinawan Festival Fluvial Parade, Ken Employees Night. Yaw awis, tilo kala gobyerno kadagiti so amin at panang eksperyensyada daytoy narangrang nga enerhiya ti syudad kas panang celebrar ti balaygi ka na panangarakop ti masakbayan nga dani ti tema ang namnama.
Namnama, ayun. Prevail ken namnama. Kasay? Prevail na namnama, Idol Joan.
Ada ti prevail, Idol Bernard, kat panagkaykay sa akin iti panagwa-progreso.
Tapno madaan namnama.
When?
Iti masakbayan. Hanga mo nga nalawlawag ang masakbayan.
Ito siguro pa di Jayan, Idol Bernard.
Kada nalalis to, madibat?
Mabalin, Idol Bernard.
Okay. Alakat paset iti Pamulinawan Festival iti IFM Rockmab ba diya Idol Joan tinakabilita?
Fiesta Watch, Idol Bernard.
Fiesta Watch. Ayan. Okay. So go ahead, Idol Joan.
Damag iti syudad ti Lawag at YT 99.5 as Lawag, Idol Joan in sa top term.
Maraming salamat, Idol Joan. Manipod apo iti Pamulinawan Festival 2025 celebration dito yung Lawag City.